Hello, my people. I beg make una draw una chair conclude. I don't land again with Obonge Tori. We go nearly carry una enter gutter. Where una dey laugh. Two men, they live for my street. These two men get money well. The other one, na talk no do. You know those kind people, or those kind rich men, way too they talk. They know they do wetin they talk. While the other one, wetin in they talk, in they do, and you know they talk too much. You know, say people wey carry action, no too much they talk. So, call each one day, these two men, as I they talk, they come they quarrel. Now the other one, we get mouth, begin they talk, they yab the other one. The other one just dey quiet. As they yab and they yab and they yab am. You can't get one word wey talk. We move the other one, we make an open mouth. Listen to the word. The other one, wey too they talk, that talk no do person, that talk no do rich man. Now he tell the other one, wey full action, say, you think you have money? If they put you for sale tomorrow, I will buy you. After buying you, I will sell you again. Now the other man say, you say if they put me for sale for market tomorrow, you go buy me. And then when you don't buy me finish, you go sell me again. That one wey carry action, no go school well. The other one say, yes, I said so. He say, now be say you no get money now. You go buy me if they put me for market for sale, you go buy me. Then when you don't buy me finish, you go sell me because you still dey find money. You see you, if they put you up for market for sale, me, I go buy you any amount where they talk, and I go keep you for house, they feed you. My people, I beg, make una help me go for comment section. Go tell me, between these two people, the talk no do and the one way full of action, who reach pass. I beg, whatever you say, I will respond. And also, follow me, like, and share. Now so we go to move. All right, guys. Bye.